How to cure constipation naturally. Water. Dehydration can lead to constipation. Therefore, it's important to drink enough water and stay hydrated. When you're constipated, you can also try drinking some carbonated sparkling water to help you rehydrate and get things moving again. Some studies have found that sparkling water to be more effective than tap water at relieving constipation. However, don't drink too much of it. Fibers and fiber-rich food. Increasing fiber intake is proven to increase the bulk and consistency of bowel movements, making them easier to pass. In fact, one recent review found that 77% of people with chronic constipation benefited from supplementing with fiber. The total recommended fiber intake per day is 25 grams for women and 38 grams for men. Exercise. Exercise helps constipation by reducing the time taken by food to move through the large intestine, limiting the amount of water absorbed from stool into the body. Hard, dry stools are harder to pass. In addition, exercise accelerates your breathing and heart rate. This helps to stimulate the natural contraction and intestinal muscles, helping in proper stool movement, curing constipation. Prunes. Prunes or prune juice is one of the best ways to cure constipation. In addition to fiber, prunes contain the natural laxative sorbitol. This is a sugar alcohol that has a laxative effect. Studies have shown that prunes may be more effective than fiber. If you're constipated, prunes can turn out to be the easiest natural solution available. If you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up and do share with your family and friends. In order to not miss any future updates, do subscribe to my channel.